Okay, we are going to be. Oh, I hope I didn't damage it by doing that. We're going to be unboxing this Jabra Elite 65T. I don't recommend you throw it. I kind of regret doing that now. Okay, let's have a look inside. So this, I researched on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. I did do a lot of research on these headphones, and apparently these headphones are very, very good. Now this wireless earphones are very, very good. Now this set me back. Okay, the boxes should have prepared this a little bit more. Okay, here we are. I think I've got it. There we go. Slightly stuck over there. May not win an award for the best unboxing video on YouTube. Don't know, I'm not going to throw this down this time. Okay, so I guess I pull that, do I? It's got an arrow saying pull. Oh, I see, I pull it out. Oh, wow. What a size box for a set of headphones, right? Okay.
Where's the case?
Where's the case? That's a good idea. Here's the case. Okay, so they come with this nice case, which has a standard charging point in there. And I have understood that it will have in here. So take that out and, oh, it's still sticking to me. Let's stick that over there. And then, does it matter which way around it goes in?
Yes.
Let's see. So, one of the things is with these replaceable earphone gels, is it should be able to fit different people. So I think that's going to go in. How does that go? Like this?
No. It says.
Sorry, I got it.
It says right on it, so you need to put it in the one on the right.
Oh yeah. It's a good thing your hair.
Yeah.
And this one will go on the one on the left, and one would assume. Unless you have a three-eared dog that needs headphones.
What?
Well, no, you've got to be.
Dog.
So that. Oh, did you see a light just came on?
Yep.
So, okay, so this must mean it's charging.
But there's no battery on the bottom. There's a charging place.
Okay.
What?
So it's blinking. So I will read the instructions. So it comes with this instruction pack. Let's have a look. I imagine this will have the an instruction booklet, getting started. English, I suppose. How to pair. Hold for 3 seconds the button on the right earbud and the left button on the left earbud to power on, and then follow the voice instructions to pair your headphones. How to fit, because you might not be able to fit your headphones that easily. Just in case you wanted earphones, in case you wondered which way around it went. Oh right, perfect, this is what I wanted. Okay, how to use. So I guess press that part of the earphone for volume up and hold it for go forward a track, minus volume and down a track. That is what the right one, I assume, is it?
Yeah.
To answer a call, press this one. Double press. What is that? To put an electric shock through your ear, is it? Or, okay, how to charge via those batteries. 2 recharges on the go. Perfect. And then we go into another language. Okay. So is there a cable? There's a cable, and there are extra gels. So here's the extra gels. So this could be useful if you. I mean, I don't recommend ever sharing these things, but they do come in different sizes, and that was one of the things it said will find the right size for you. I've got plenty of these, so I don't need to plug that one in. I'll just use one of my existing ones. So there it is. The Jabra. What's it called? Elite Active 65T unboxing video. I may do another review after about a week or so. I think you need at least a week to actually wear these and actually try them. Shall I put them in my ear now for this video? I mean, it's a bit of a mess in the background, so I'll do that in a separate video potentially. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. If you have bought one of these, just tell me what you think of it in the comments video. I'll stick a link to the Amazon page on this as well. Okay, thanks, and yeah, if you like the content, please hit subscribe. Bye bye.